Android is a popular mobile operating system, OS, developed by Google. It is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android is known for its open-source nature, flexibility, and extensive ecosystem of apps and services. Here is a comprehensive overview of Android. 1. History and development. Android was founded by Andy Rowan, Rich Miner, Nick Sears, and Chris White in October 2003. Google acquired Android Incorporated in 2005, and it has since become the dominant mobile OS. 2. Versions. Android has undergone numerous version updates, each named after a dessert or sweet in alphabetical order. Some notable versions include Android 1.0, September 2008, the initial release. Android 2.3, Gingerbread, improved UI and performance. Android 4.0, Ice Cream Sandwich, unified tablet and smartphone interfaces. Android 5.0, Lollipop, material design and improved performance. 3. Architecture. Android's architecture consists of several layers, including the Linux kernel, libraries, Android runtime, ART, application framework, and applications. The Linux kernel provides low-level hardware interaction. The Android runtime, ART, executes application code. The application framework provides essential services and APIs for app development. Apps run on top of this architecture, using Java or Kotlin as the primary programming languages. 4. App ecosystem. Android has a vast ecosystem of apps available through the Google Play Store. These apps cover a wide range of categories, including productivity, entertainment, communication, and gaming. Developers can create apps for Android using the Android Studio IDE and the Android SDK, Software Development Kit. 5. Customization. Android is highly customizable, allowing users to personalize their devices with widgets, wallpapers, and various launchers. Manufacturers often create custom Android versions with their user interfaces, UI, and pre-installed apps, sometimes referred to as skins. 6. Security. Android includes various security features such as app sandboxing, encryption, and regular security updates. Google Play Protect is a built-in security suite that scans apps for malware and helps keep devices safe. 7. Fragmentation. One challenge with Android is device fragmentation. There are numerous Android device manufacturers, each with their hardware configurations and software modifications. This can lead to delays in receiving OS updates for some devices. 8. Open source. Android is open source, which means its source code is publicly available for developers to modify and create custom versions, known as Android forks. 9. Wearables, TV, and IoT. Android has been adapted for other device categories, including smartwatches, Wear OS, smart TVs, Android TV, and IoT devices, Android Things. 10. Future trends. Android continues to evolve with new features and improvements, including advancements in and machine learning, foldable device support, and enhanced privacy controls. Android's widespread adoption and flexibility have made it a dominant player in the mobile OS market, providing users with a rich and diverse ecosystem of applications and services.